I would like, equals.
Je voudrais.
English-French Café Politeness. Synapse Lingo Welcome. Hey friend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and practice. Ready to sound effortlessly polite in French? Today we master the magic phrase.
Je voudrais.
The velvet key to great service. You'll use it anywhere you'd say, I would like, in English. Your goal today. By the end, you'll order like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. Goal. Use.
Je voudrais.
Instead of the too direct.
Je veux.
Think of it as a polite softener. I would like, not, I want. Forms and rhythm. Warm up your mouth. Let's groove the phrase together. Repeat with me.
Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais.
Now to a beat.
Je voudrais.
Tap your fingers, breathe, smile. Whisper it politely.
Je voudrais.
Now say it confidently.
Je voudrais.
VIP memory. V equals voudrais is polite. Café dialogue. Imagine jazz in a cozy cafe, time for a mini scene. You, could I see the menu? Server.
Bien sûr, voici la carte.
You.
Je voudrais. Un thé au citron, s'il vous plaît.
Server.
Très bien, tout de suite.
Narrator. The lemon tea arrives, and yes, you get a smile, too. Mini drills. Your turn. Plug in nouns and actions. Keep it smooth and polite. Order a coffee. Say.
Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Say you want to go now.
Je voudrais partir maintenant.
Ask for the window seat.
Je voudrais la place près de la fenêtre.
General ordering.
Je voudrais commander.
Plus your item. If you slip and say.
Je veux.
Catch it and switch to.
Je voudrais.
Culture tip. Polite wins. Polite phrasing gets you better vibes and biscuits. In French service culture.
Je voudrais.
Sounds courteous, while.
Je veux.
Can feel pushy. Add a gentle gesture. Hand on chest, open palm to the item, then say.
Je voudrais.
Bonus. Sometimes you even get a free biscuit. Funny moment. Let's make your memory smile. I once tried to rockstar my order, no croissant appeared. Then I whispered the magic words.
Je voudrais.
And the croissant practically bowed. Remember, the croissant respects good manners. Quick quiz. Test time, answer out loud. Q1. At a cafe, how do you politely say, I would like, in French? A.
Je voudrais.
Q2. Which is softer and more polite?
Je veux.
Or.
Je voudrais.
A.
Je voudrais.
Q3. Translate. I would like a coffee, please. A.
Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Speed round. Quick. Say it now, I would like.
Je voudrais.
Memory hacks. Stick it in your brain with a silly hook. Mnemonic. Voodoo rice. Voudrais. Say it. Voodoo rice.
Voudrais. Je voudrais.
Also try a rhythm loop.
Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais.
Mini story. Close your eyes and step into the scene. You enter a bustling bakery. Butter in the air, warm light on golden loaves. You point and say, softly.
Je voudrais. Une baguette, s'il vous plaît.
The baker smiles. You leave with bread, pride, and crumbs on your shirt. Challenge mode. Let's stretch your skills, role play time. Scenario A. Airport cafe. Order water. You.
Je voudrais un verre d'eau, s'il vous plaît.
Scenario B. Train booking. Ask for your favorite seat. You.
Je voudrais la place près de la fenêtre.
Scenario C. You're in a rush. Say you'd like to go now. You.
Je voudrais partir maintenant.
Bonus swaps. Could I have?
Puis-je avoir?
I would love.
J'adorerais.
Keep.
Je voudrais.
As your default polite opener. Wrap up. You did great. Lock it in with one last repeat. Say it 3 times.
Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing polite requests, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and fun challenges from Synapse Lingo. See you next time.